couch, dogs, me, guitar lessons. Hey there, LickNRiffers! Welcome back to yet another awesome fingerstyle arrangement lesson right here on LickNRiff. And this time we're going to learn a true classic, Love Story. So first I'm going to play the arrangement so you can see in here how it goes, and then you're going to learn it yourself with tabs right here on the screen. I'm going to walk you through it note by note, chord by chord, finger position by finger position. Right? So it goes like this. Enjoy. Okay, so the intro begins with this. Okay, you bar 5, the 5th fret on strings 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is A minor. Okay, with the 5th string. So 5, 5, 5 on strings 1, 2, and 3 with the 5th string is A minor. Now the melody is 8, 8, 7, 7, 5, 5 on the 1st string, along with the chord. So you play the bass first, and then the chord with 8, 8, 7, 7, 5, 5. Okay. Then you play, okay, the 6th string, you mute it, and then you play the A bass string again, the 5th string, and then play the same melody. So, okay, you need to mute it, otherwise you get this, which is a muddy sound. So you need to mute the E bass string right after you pick it, okay, using your thumb. You just lay your thumb upon it and play the A bass. So, okay. So it's the same lick twice, and then you have D minor with 3, 1, 1 on the 1st string. Okay, and you can arpeggiate it. Okay, and then the 6th string. Then you have this. Okay, this is E. Okay, it's a part of the E bar shape. Okay, the E bar shape. So just 7, 9, 9 on strings 1, 2, and 3. So the 6th string, E, and then the A minor chord, 5, 5, 5 with the A bass string. Okay, you can also arpeggiate it if you like, right? But just a very short arpeggio, let it ring, okay, let the chord ring, and then start the melody. So the intro again. Okay, the A minor chord with 8, 8, 7, 7, 5, 5 on the E string twice. D minor, E, A minor. Okay? Or just simple. Okay? So now starts the classic melody. So you put 8 and 9 on strings 1 and 3. Right? And that's what you play. You play the A bass with the first string, and the melody is strings 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. Right? You can slide into it. Okay? And then you can vibrate if you like. Okay? So, and then you have okay? You have strings 3, 3, 1, 1, and then the third string with 9, 10, 9. Okay? Oh, sorry, I played the sixth string by mistake, sorry. And then you have the sixth string, which is where I was going in my mind. I was preparing for the next bar. Okay, you play the sixth string, the E bass, with 7 and 7 on strings 1 and 3, and you play strings 3, 3, 3, 1, 1 with the bass. Okay, and you vibrate if you like. Then you play the sixth string again, you play strings 3, 3, 1, 1, and then the third string with 7, 9, 7. So, and then you take this 2 frets down with A again, you play strings 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, all on 5. Okay, and then you bar 5 and you put 8 on the 5th string. This is now F major 7. Okay, 5, 5, 5 with 8 on the 5th string. And that's what you play. You play the 5th string on 8, and then the 5, 5 on the 2nd string, on the 3rd string, and then on the 1st. And then 5, 7, 5 on the 3rd string. So it's the same motif all the way. Okay, you play a chord. This is A minor. It's a part of the full A minor chord. This is E7. Okay, it's a part of E7. So this is E7. Then this is A minor again, a part of this, and then this becomes F major 7. So it's exactly the same pattern all the way. So it's, and then you have the same pattern, and then the same pattern, okay, and then the same pattern on 4 and 4 with the E bass. Okay, this is a part of E major or E7. So, right? So that's what you get. This is why the melody works so well, because it's all arpeggios basically, but in a melodious way. So that's why it's a classic. It's just an ingenious melody. You have 2 endings. After you have the E dissection of the harmony, you have 5, 7 on the E string, on the 1st string, 1, and then A minor with the open E string, with the open E string as the melody. So then you have everything again, okay? Okay, up to 4, and then you have 5, 7, 4, and then you have A major. Okay, it's a D shape on 9, 9, 10, 9 on strings 1, 2, and 3 with A, with the 5th string. Then you have the chorus, 10, 12, and 10 on the 2nd string. Then remember the first shape you used on 8, 5, and 5. Now you use it on 13, 10, and 10 with the D string. This is now D minor. Okay, so it's, okay. Then you have strings 2, 1, 2, still on 10 and 13. Then you have this, okay, or, okay, It's 5 slide to 7 7 on the first string with your little finger, with your pinky, because then if you like a stretch, because who doesn't like a stretch, put 3 on the 6th string, and then you have a piano G chord. So right? Or if you don't want to stretch, just play strings 3, 4, and 5, and then you have a G over D chord, a G chord with a D bass. Okay, so right, or right, got it? Either way works. And then you have this. Right? It's 10, 13, 10 on the first string with G again. So this time you have to play strings 2, 3, and 4. Because there's no way you're gonna stretch down to 3. So, and then you have 12 again with your little finger with a C chord. Bar on 8 with 9 on the 3rd string. Okay? So you have 12, 8, 9 with 8 on the 6th string. And then you have, okay, again, strings 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 on 8, 12, and 8. Okay, it's the same motif as, okay, as the D minor chord. So now you have, okay, C, okay? And then you have this, okay? Okay, it's an F add 9 chord, okay? You have to put these fingers on because you're gonna need the first finger, okay? It's a C add 9 shape, okay? Just up on 8, so it's 8 on the 2nd string with your little finger, and 7 and 8 on strings 4 and 5, okay? Okay, and you play it. You can play the open 3rd string as well, okay? And then 5, 5 on the E string. Okay, this might be the trickiest move of them all, okay? And then, okay, you need to jump into this chord, so it might take a little bit of practice. I know it took practice for me. And then you have 2 endings. The first ending is, okay, 5, 12, 8 on the 1st string, and then, okay, 10, 10, 10 and the D string, D minor. And then you have 12, 10, 12 on strings 2, 1, 2. You can slide into it. And then you have A minor, a D minor shape on 8. So it's 8, 10, 8, 10, and 9 with the 5th string. And then you have this. Right? Back to the first chord. 10, 12 on the E string. 10, 10 on the B string. 13 on the E string. And then the first chord again. Okay, with D. Okay, 13, 10, 10, and D. Okay, and then you repeat everything up to the F add 9 chord, and then you have 3, 1, 0, B7. Okay, bar on 2, 4 and 4 on strings 2 and 4. I play strings 2 to 5. Okay, strings 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you lift the bar so you can play 4, 0, 4 on strings 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then this E7. Okay, it's E with 3 on the 2nd string, and I let go of my finger on the 4th. Okay, or I just don't. Okay, I don't put the low B note there. I just put 3 and 1 on strings 2 and 3, and I'm careful to just pick strings 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, I don't pick strings 4 and 5. So, and then you have this again. Okay, the whole thing. So that's Love Stories. So before you go download the tab, which is for free, the link is below in the description. Subscribe to the channel. There are hundreds, literal hundreds of free lessons waiting for you. The tab is also for free. The link is below in the description. As I said, everything is for free here on LickNRiff, but if you want to give anything back, there's a Patreon link, and everything goes right back to making these lessons for you for your free guitar education. So I thank you for your generosity in advance. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Enjoy this.